Whether you tow for business or pleasure, properly maintaining your trailer's tires is crucial. It begins with selecting the right tire for your trailer. All the tires must be identical in order to safely distribute and carry the weight of the trailer and its contents. And they must have the combined load carrying capacity to meet or exceed the placard load of the original equipment tires for that trailer. The tire's individual capacity can be found imprinted on the sidewall. When replacing a failed tire on one axle of a tandem or triple axle trailer, it's recommended to replace the other tire or tires on that side as well, since they are likely to have been subjected to excessive load. If the tires on the other side have significant tread wear, it's also worth considering replacing them too. If you change the tire size on your trailer, be sure to check the tongue height and adjust it if necessary in order to maintain proper weight distribution. Ongoing maintenance of your trailer tires starts with proper tire inflation. Maintaining your trailer tires at the maximum inflation pressure shown on the sidewall will provide their full carrying capacity. Remember that this pressure should be measured when the tires are cool to the touch, if possible. When checking the pressure of a tire that's warm from operation, add 3 psi to the target pressure to compensate for the rise due to temperature. When you check inflation pressure prior to each trip, you should also inspect your trailer's tires for cuts, snags, punctures, or bulges. Proper storage can also help extend the life of your trailer's tires, so protect them from direct sunlight by storing your trailer indoors if possible, properly inflated, and with material between the tire and pavement like a thin piece of plywood, or with tire covers if your trailer is stored outdoors. For extended storage, the best solution is to support the trailer on jack stands or blocks to take the weight off the tires and lower the tire pressure. The success and safety of your towing experience depends on your tires. For the best tire selection, tire maintenance tips, and outstanding customer service, you can depend on Discount Tire.